Hi Phil, how you going, mate? I thought I'd make a video tutorial instead of a simple written Word document for you. Anyway, I'm just going to turn up the sound a bit better. By now you would have downloaded this zip file, site zip file. So if we go ahead and open up that, then you'll see you'll have most of the files that are up on your website. There's a few folders that I haven't included in this zip, such as the what ones didn't I include? All of the Canada stuff. Didn't include the image galleries. And I took out the radio stuff as well, because we're not using that at the moment. So I just thought I'd show you how we could set up this site using Dreamweaver, and show you about templates as well, because I've kept templates in here, which will help us to be able to develop the site a little bit faster and create things a bit quicker. So anyway, I'll just pop over to Dreamweaver. And the biggest thing in managing a website with templates is that your site is actually set up correctly. So I'm just going to choose site, new site, then I'm going to give it a name, test lennox. I'm going to just go down and hunt to that file. I've put mine on the desktop, but I'd recommend that you file yours away in a better place. So I've gone down to that folder that I've unzipped, which has got all the goodies in it. Image folder, don't have to worry about that for now. If you want to, you could go ahead and do the same process either here, or I've been storing all the images in here. So I've also noticed there's an image folder out here, so I don't know, maybe one of those two could be appropriate, but I've chosen not to select that. And then just click OK. And you'll see that it's in Files. If you go to Window and then Files, we'll see that we'll have the Linux production site here that we can manage. I'm sure you would be familiar with this by now if you've used Dreamweaver. So we've got this folder called Template. It's got a capital T, and in there's just Template. If we open up that folder, you'll see that there'll be some default text. You've got the basic structure of the site, and any pages that you need to create, just make a new flash. Add in the flash banner in there and add in whatever content you want to there. So how would you make a new page? File, New. From this screen, open page from template. I've got a heap of sites that I'm managing. I'm going to go to the Linux Productions one, test Linux, click on that, and then just click Create. And you'll notice now it's called Untitled. Just save it. Give it a page name that you'd like to, just give it a page name that you'd like, Control S, save that, and just give it a page name, and then you should be right to go. So that's about it. I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to use templates if you wanted to make new pages for your site, or else you could just call me and I'll be happy to make them for you. The other thing that I just want to go through is FTP transfer. So I'm just going to go over to your site here. Linux prods, and I've deleted most of those LCK files. I've just found another one in there I'm deleting now, just because we don't need them, because we're not using contribute anymore. You'll see that we've got the template folder up there and all the rest of it. I'm just going to go in and upload everything now and update the site. Linux site. Here's all my files. Just going to go through, select all the files that I want to update. Which are these guys here? And the site name, video page. We don't need to worry about those ones. Don't really need all the red stuff either. So doing that. And that should be fine. So I'm just going to drag them over. And I'm just going to replace all of those. You're using QDFTP. It'll be a similar system. Drag and drop, load them up. Shouldn't be a problem. I guess the big thing that we've got to make sure that we do is each time we make a change, or if you require me to make a change, then just let me know and I'll make sure that I download all the most current files. And if you've got me to update something, change something, then make sure you download the most current files as well, just so that everything locally on our computers are current and all the rest of it, so that we're not overriding work. And it's just going through and uploading all the files. So that's about it. I just thought I'd run you through that quickly. Cheers, Phil. Thanks, mate. Bye.